You are leaving Earth, and you are not coming back for a while. First stop, the Sun, 149 million kilometers away. The star that makes everything possible. Up close, it is nothing like you imagined. Plasma waves the size of continents. Solar flares erupting into space. Surface temperature, 5,500 degrees. And this is just the surface. The core reaches 15 million degrees. Now we leave. First planet, Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun, and the smallest. No atmosphere, no weather. Temperature swings from 430 degrees in the day to minus 180 at night. The most extreme temperature range of any planet. Moving on. Venus, Earth's twin. Almost exactly the same size. But nothing else is the same. 465 degrees on the surface. Every day, every night. No difference. Atmospheric pressure, 92 times greater than
92
Earth.
times Earth's
Enough
pressure.
to crush a submarine.
This is the surface of
This is
Venus.
what Earth could have become.
A volcanic world
And now
shrouded in a
Earth.
crushing toxic
Look at
atmosphere.
it from here. One small blue marble, covered in water, wrapped in a thin layer of air. Everything that has ever lived. Every war ever fought. Every person who ever existed. On that, Mars. Dry, cold, but it was not always like this. 4 billion years ago, Mars had oceans, rivers, rain, a blue sky. Then it lost its magnetic field, and the sun took everything. The asteroid belt, not what Hollywood showed you. Mostly empty space. The rocks are real, but the average distance between them is almost 1 million kilometers. These are the ruins of a planet that never got to exist. Jupiter, the largest planet in the solar system. 1,300 Earths fit inside it. That storm you can see, the great red spot, it has been spinning for 350 years. And it is wider than Earth. Jupiter is not just a planet, it is a protector. Its gravity pulls in asteroids that would otherwise hit Earth. Saturn, the most beautiful planet in the solar system. Those rings, 282,000 kilometers wide, made of pure water ice. Only 10 to 100 meters thick. From the side, they look like a line. From inside, they go on forever. Uranus, the sideways planet, tilted 98 degrees on its axis. It rotates on its side. Nobody knows exactly why. And finally, Neptune, the furthest planet, the coldest, the windiest. Winds at 2,100 kilometers per hour, 7 times faster than Earth's most powerful hurricane. 4.5 billion kilometers from the sun. The sun from here looks like just another star. You have just traveled 4.5 billion kilometers. Through 8 planets. Past storms wider than Earth. Through rings made of ancient ice. Past a planet that lost everything. And another that protects us all. The solar system is not empty space with a few rocks in it. It is the most extraordinary neighborhood imaginable. And you live in it.